everyone, this is Jenny from Thrivality. Welcome to my new series, which is called Let's Talk About Health. And in the first episode, I'm going to be talking to Arut Siva of MediTherapie. Arut, thank you so much for making the time to speak with me today.
Thank you.
I'd like to start off by asking you, what is the philosophy behind MediTherapie and what you do here?
As Albert Einstein said, look deep into nature, you will have solutions for everything. So likewise, my journey into health started when I was 8 years old. So now I'm 49 in 2019. So when I go back in time, I was given a money plant.
Right.
So I wanted to grow it faster. So I thought, why not grow on a sand, which is so porous? So the roots I saw, it's so delicate. So it's thought in a sand it can grow faster. But for 1 week I'm watering, nothing happened. Then I thought, why not I move back to a natural fertile soil with full of earthworms and organic place. Within 24 hours I saw a bunch of roots. That was my first trigger. It means if we need to do anything, we have to do in harmony with nature. But the problem now is we are so much disconnected from nature. That's why we got so much of diseases and disorders. And the way to go is we had again go back to our roots. It means if I lose something here, I need to search for the object I lost in this room.
Right.
I can't go to a next room and search just because there is a better lighting. So the same way forget all the diseases and disorders. We got one body but 30,000 diseases and disorders and labels. We can't fight a pill for every ill. So the best is restore health in the body. And that's what I do. I don't treat, but I restore health and vitality back, leading to longevity and life extension. So if, like for example, if a hard disk crashes, we restore data from a clean copy. The same way when our cells are weak, we restore it using a lot of technologies. Our body is like a rechargeable battery. And the new battery, the charge retains for a long time and it gets charged faster. The same way our cells, when we are young, healthy, we live right, eat right, breathe right, drink right, our cells will be in an optimal state. But now, as said, we are so much disconnected from nature, so our cells actually lost its vitality. So that's why I used like 20 different technologies which mimic nature and which restores vitality back in our cells. So once you restore, our body knows what to do. You don't have to tell what to do. It knows what to do.
Okay, so that's great that you mentioned the technologies. I notice there's a lot of machines out there. How do they work and how do they work together? So tell me what they actually do for somebody who's using them.
Before that, let me just quickly see how our current method of treating is. It's like, for example, we take blood pressure. So there are 4 categories of drugs for the last many years. A for ACE inhibitor, B beta blocker, C calcium channel blocker, D diuretics. So it means if you look at the name, it's either inhibit, block or suppress, or it's always like that. So it means it's not a cure. You're blocking something to show results. But my method, as I said, is to restore. So when we need to restore, what we have to do? Yes, we have to start focusing on breathing. Because that's the one thing we do 21,600 times a day. So I have a machine. When the first person come and lie on our treatment therapy bed, the bed is actually layered. The first one is actually to bring the stress load. Almost every one of us here have a lot of stress. So the moment they lie down, the bed actually gently rocks. It actually goes back to the cradle days. And that's the best days in our life. Eat, poop and sleep. And that's it. Nothing else to worry about. So the moment we rock, people go back to that natural state. So they release stress. Then on top of it is actually a thermotherapy. It means currently most people work in a very cold environment. So what happens? Cold, dampness, it constricts. Energy can't flow. So likewise, so first I heat up the body. Then the energy flows nicely. Then underneath there is another layer which actually emits harmonious frequencies into the body. Because we are aligned, the earth has its own magnetic field. And magnetic field is very important for our body. But it has to be harmonious to our cells and nature. So with these 3, then the body first is, I work on the terrain. Then at the same time, they inhale hydrogen and oxygen. So hydrogen brings the inflammation low and oxygen nourishes the cell. Then I use another technology with 4 channels to increase the energy levels of the cell by 500 times. Then I use another machine to work on the blood, to reduce ROS and cleanse the blood and make the blood a bit more alkaline and things like that. So when everything is done together at the same time, our body feels the aha effect.
Okay.
Yeah. And currently, if you go by Western medicine, we got 30,000 diseases and labels and disorders. So there is no one pill for every ill in my method. I work on the whole body and I restore health.
Okay.
That's why I need to use more technologies, and in fact I'll be bringing in a lot more technologies as well.
Okay, great. Now I noticed there's one machine called the ECP machine that you haven't mentioned so far.
Yeah.
Tell me about that. Who is going to benefit from that?
Okay. ECP stands for external counterpulsation. So during the diastolic phase, which is the resting phase, the machine actually squeezes the calf, thigh and hip muscle to send more blood to the heart effortlessly. So when we are all born with collaterals, it means if there is a road work, they put a deviation naturally so the traffic is not obstructed.
Right.
Likewise, we are all born with collaterals because heart being the most important.
Right.
But it gets open only when we do vigorous exercise.
Right.
And the greatest exercise most people do throughout the day is to sit. So nothing works.
Yeah.
So with this machine, when you stimulate, it opens up the collaterals. So even if there is a block, you got enough channels for the blood to go. So you prevent heart attack, and at the same time it increases blood flow to the brain by 20%.
Wow.
Yeah, it was recently verified by NUH.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell me, give me an example of somebody who's benefited from ECP and your other machines. What do they have? What's been the net result for them?
See, ECP, say somebody have a heart problem, they have
Okay.
a breathing problem as well. They'll be panting for breath.
Right.
So the moment you open up, they see the first thing. People who can't climb stairs, they'll be able to run.
Okay.
And we have people who have done it.
Right.
So that's the first sign that, okay, the collaterals are working, the blood is flowing, so they're not more panting for breath anymore. So we have many cases like that because it's used worldwide. It's there for the last 40 years.
Right.
And then again, people, we can prevent heart attack and to some extent even stroke with that.
Okay.
Yeah. So I always say start early. Don't wait until, because for heart attack you only need few seconds. They're dead.
Yeah.
So most people, some lucky, many are not. So and now you can see that heart attacks and strokes are happening at a younger age. So it's best people start early and using all these technologies, and they can prevent.
Okay. And so what I'd like you to do now is just look at the camera and talk to the people there. What are your final words on how they should restore their health? What should we all be doing ourselves at home?
Okay, my most important message will be like how everyone takes effort to guard their wealth. Likewise, take care of your health too. I always see people very tight about their money. They wanted to safeguard it to an extent, but when it comes to health, they want a total stranger to manage the health. It doesn't work that way. You are the only person who knows what all things you've done in your whole life. You only spend 3 to 5 minutes with a doctor and he can't learn everything about you. So the best person is about you. In fact, the word doctor comes from an Italian word dosere, means to teach. The duty of a doctor is to teach people to stay healthy. So you must have the passion to learn, to take care of your own health and invest time and money in preventing diseases and not wait until you hit something and then you want to spend your whole wealth. The problem now is like that. People, when they are healthy, they don't bother about health, but when they are lost health, they wanted to chase health with the money they made. But sorry, not many of them are lucky. So it's best you start early, invest in preventive healthcare so you can have longevity and life vitality. Thank you.
And that's the first in our series, Let's Talk About Health. Thank you very much to Arut Siva. We just happened to be wearing the same colours, not intentional.
Yeah,
but
exactly.
Keep watching. And with the series, you're going to learn a lot. Thanks very much.
Thank you.